Okay guys, the new parts for the valve assembly are in. We finally got them a couple of days ago, so we are going to install them. So grab yourself a cup of coffee and we'll do this together. Okay guys, the first thing we'll do is put these two seals on. This is for the connector that goes into, maybe we'll just put a little bit of silicone inside here. Okay, so that one goes in. We'll put that aside for the time being, and we are going to work on the actual valve assembly. So the first guy to go in would be this one. Let's see if you can, easy way of getting that in. Okay, that goes in. Then the washer goes in after that. Now what we're going to do is put in the new O-ring in here. Okay, that's gone in. So now this spring goes there. The valve stem goes in there, and they call this a puck assembly. Maybe it was designed by a Canadian playing ice hockey. So that goes like that, and now comes the tricky part. Okay guys, I managed to get it in by using the split ring pliers, depressing the split ring and pushing down on the assembly, and it clicked into place. So for now that is over. We just have to put this other one on. We're going to connect this seal. This just pushes in like that, and I think we're good to go. So the next step is to install it and put in a fresh cartridge, and then we will see if the whole thing works. So stay tuned. Okay guys, the repairs was a success. I've put in a new CO2 cartridge in here. It took me 4 shots to get it on target. It was shooting low and to the left at 5 meters, which is about 16 feet. I've got 10 of Gamo Match, the Gamo Match 7.56 grain in here. We'll shoot 5 single action, first, and then 5 double action, and we'll compare the results. Finished that, I'll do the comparison later and include it in the video. Okay guys, these are the results of our tests when we were shooting the 357 using Gamo Match 7.5 gram pellets at 5 meters. 5 shots we took single action, and what we have is 1 3/4 inches center to center. So you have 1 there, 2 through that hole, 1 there, and 1 all the way out here. That might have been me pulling the trigger, I don't know. So comparing that now, and that's single action. I fully expected that the single action would do much better than double action, but then when we look at the double action, we see that it's still 1 3/4 center to center. But if you want to split hairs, you look down below in double action. We have 4 shots in a fairly good cluster. That's 4 out of the 5, so you have 1 2 3 4 and 1 out here, and that's a 3/4 inch center to center. And then again, this is at 5 meters, which is about 16 feet, with the gun, the 357, rested on the bag. Compare that now to the single action, the 4 out of 5. You have the 2, the 1, and the 1 there, and that works out to 1 1/8 inch center to center. So it looks as though the double action gives you tighter groups, as demonstrated from this. Now this could have been just my shooting. Some of you guys will do much better with it. My hand may be shaky, and it's up to you to try it out. You can let me know in the comment section down below what results you got. But I was surprised. I expected the single action to do much better than the double action. It turned out the opposite, at least for me, because I'm looking at this tight group here, even though it's a bit lower off of the bull. So that's it for now. If you got any questions, give me a shout in the comment section. As usual, if you like the video and want to see more of them, give us a like, a thumbs up, a share.